Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you unboxing and installation process of F80 North Bayou monitor desk mount. Alright, so we're gonna start and go ahead with the unboxing part. So here we have some warning and caution label, manual. So the manual is pretty good, it's easy to follow. It gives you all the list of materials included, different bolt patterns and screws that you'll need for each mount. So this particular model comes with two mounting brackets. One is for your grommet hole. This one is the arm that goes, basically that will hold it against your desk mount. This comes with the knob, secure knob to hold it in place. So let me try to get this out. It's fitted there pretty good, so just give it a sec. So this is the actual desk mount. So like I said, once again, it's spring loaded, so be careful when you're opening the Velcro strap. Before you open the Velcro strap, make sure that you're holding both arms because it's gonna open up. There you go. So in this position, it's extended. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install the desk mount bracket. I'm gonna install desk mount because I need it for the desk mount. I don't have any holes on my desk to install the grommet bracket. Alright, here you're gonna need the M6x12 bolts. There should be 3 pieces and it should have an Allen key head. Here we have 2 Allen keys, so to tighten up the screws that you installed the desk mount bracket, you'll need the smaller size. Alright, so just give that a tight turn. Now we're going to go ahead and install the locking knob. So make sure you just slide this in through the desk mount bracket in the back, and also you want to make sure on this one that the holes line up, so that actually it'll give it a little extra sturdiness so it doesn't slide down. Now we're going to go ahead and install this on our desk. So just make sure that you have it set up on the right hole so that you don't have to screw it in too much. So make sure the back plate is flushed against the desk, at the edge of the desk, to hold it securely. So here I'm just showing you how far it'll spin around on the base arm. So it swivels almost 360, so I would say it's about 310 degrees. The top plate also swivels, like I said, almost 300 degrees. So it goes from left to right. Here's a closer look of the top plate. So the middle swivel, middle arm, it actually rotates 360 degrees. As you can see here, it'll go all the way around and all the way around. It's actually more than 360, so it's rotational, full motion rotational swivel arm. All right, now we're gonna install our monitor. For this, we're gonna use 4 screws of M4 by 12. It also depends on the size of your mounting holes on the back of your monitor. First, you install the top 2, like so. And now we're just going to secure the monitor onto the plate just by sliding in the top 2 screws, like this. Alright. And there you go. And for just extra security, I'm just going to tighten this 2 up first before I put the other 2 screws at the bottom. There you go. Now we got the monitor all secured, tied into the mounting plate. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to adjust the tension on this spring-loaded top arm. So right now it's pretty stiff, so I'm going to loosen it by putting less. So if you turn it to the left, it's actually less tension. So the monitor is too light, the arm will just keep coming up. So I'm going to tighten it all the way to the right, so clockwise, so that you can adjust it freely, but at the same time it doesn't move up to you without you wanting to move up. So like that, it stays in place. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put in our cable. So here I'm just going to show you how to plug in how to install the cable to do some cable management on the arm itself. So I plugged in the power cable. So the top arm has 2 screws for your cable management, so just take that off real quick. Slide in the cable like so, and then just put the 2 screws back in. Alright, now we're going to do the bottom arm. So this one actually has 2 opening slots for your cable to feed through. So take out the screw. So the bottom arm only has 1 screw, so just take that out and then pull the plastic cover down a little bit and then slide the cable in. And once you're satisfied with that, you can just easily put the screw back in. There you go, there you have it guys. So this is the F80 North Bayou monitor desk mount. So I'm very happy with this. The flexibility and the range of motion it has is pretty good. You can almost have it spin 360 wherever you would like, up and down, side to side. You get so many options. So there's a lot of swivel points on this mount, so it's very good however you want to use it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and installation and a little bit of review of the F80 North Bayou monitor desk mount. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, enjoy your new monitor mount. Thanks guys.